Hello, I'm Louise here, Tiny Tums from the Healthcare Nutrition Consultant. I want to talk to you about my services for training and how that supports you and your teams and your families. So, one course I'm going to talk about is my managing a sugar-free setting because this is really important with recent changes to the EYFS on the early years take on sugar. There's a lot more to sugar than just somebody being mean and saying that you should no longer have cake and pudding on your menu. So I make sure that you can make the change to adhere to the EYFS, but also communicate that change. Children are the best at adapting to this change. It's us grown-ups who need a little bit more persuading. So we will look at debunking the myths around sugar, such as, oh, it's just someone being mean, a little won't do them any harm, and children need cake for energy, and I always had it and it's all right. So we will debunk those myths with some science as to actually, let's look at that from a scientific perspective on early childhood development. I will help you with the practical ways to implement a sugar-free setting, how to make those changes, but also how to communicate those changes via sample policies and information that you have ready to have those confident conversations at the door with parents or prospective parents when you have that exchange of why are you doing it this way, so you can be confidently informed and empowered to have those conversations and to be proud that you're supporting early childhood development by being sugar free. It's not just about compliance, it's about there's a reason why sugar is mentioned in that nutrition guidance. There's a reason why things come into guidance, and that's because of the impact they have on child health. So it's not just about being compliant. It's not just about ticking a box. It's about understanding actually we have a massive impact on children's health and habits in the early years, and how can we make sure we have the best and most positive impact on that. So I'm Louise, Mercieca nutritional therapist, and I can help you build a sugar-free setting.